Today I gonna make a video about Rapid trailer. Rapid is designed for transporting cars. That's what it is. But of course it does have its own specifics. If we was like monitoring the market here a couple of years ago and understood that where we are and what the other ones, the competition is making and so on, then we was realized that we need a trailer which is simple as possible and still can do a lot. So that's why we started the project Rapid. I mean, as a semi-car hauler, we make them already also a long time, but not as a Rapid. So, and to start from that point, like I said, we understood that we need to get something what is very simple, very easy to load, and very practical, and you can load a lot of different cars on it. And so we started with the Rapid, and today, as the Rapid is already a couple of years on the market now, we are very happy about, of course, and that's why I want to make the video and explain you more what is Rapid about. So, first of all, Rapid doesn't have any pillars. There is one lifting mechanism in the rear of the trailer, which is needed to lift the platform, but no other obstacles where you cannot open the doors, unloaded cars, or you have some obstacles to get into the cars, out from the cars. So that's why it's just easy to load. Beside that, Rapid does have side walking ways. Those walking ways on the side, on the upper deck, are the sideways where you can easy scoop down. You can put your straps. You don't have to worry about that. Maybe you can fall down, or you can damage you, or you can damage car, whatever. So it's very, very practical to have those sideways. By the way, those sideways are opened hydraulically. So it's very easy. You can even choose like between right or left, or both together. Rapid, as a next very good extra and benefit, does have in the rear very long extension from the upper deck, which goes all the way down. Thanks to that, you don't have many bumps if you drive your vehicle on the trailer, which you're gonna load, and this means less stress for you, for the car. You don't scratch the bumpers. The loading angle is super low. It's only 4 degrees. So another benefit to be fast and load easy. Okay, we're coming to the next point. The next point is Rapid does have in the deck below 3 lifts, which means, like you have it shown also by other car haulers, you can lift the cars in different angles. But also here we are a little bit different. The thing is, mostly of the car haulers, if you lift something, you have to be super careful. Because it's a hydraulic, you have a lot of cylinder operations, and you can very easily damage the other cars. In case Rapid, you have actually only possibility to damage the car if you sink the car on up to the other car. All other cases, just you lift the car in a certain position and you can not damage almost anything. So it's easy and fast. We're coming to the next point. The next point is Rapid does have free steering axle in the rear. free steering axle in the rear is super good to drive because your turning angle is much better, especially if you are delivering cars into cities somewhere. You're gonna have much easier way to just operate your trailer. You can change the lines, you can make right turns, you can make left turns, much more easier. So it's a really super good to have a steering axle in the rear. Rapid trailer is built from aluminum and carbon material metals. It means it's very light. Compared to the competition, I can guarantee you that you're gonna have fuel saving with the Rapid trailer. So another benefit, of course, to use only aluminum and hot galvanized carbon steel materials. There is no rust. There is just very super long lasting corrosion resistance. So compared to the competition, again, if you purchase a Rapid trailer, you don't have to worry about corrosion. By the way, also all the bolts and nuts, all connecting brackets are stainless steel, hot galvanized or aluminum. Again, no corrosion. So, I mean, if we speak about cost as a generally, then actually the KART Rapid trailer, it doesn't cost you much more as the regular competition trailer from somebody else. The Rapid trailer, by the way, if you come back just a step to the security, does have all hydraulic locks on all the cylinders. This means if you use the hydraulic valves, as long you use the valve, the cylinder can move. If you stop the valve, the cylinder is automatically locked hydraulically. There is no way to get the cylinder in move. Always, if you want to move the cylinder, you need to get the pressure again, which means if you have some problem with your hoses or there is a leak or whatever it is with the hydraulic system, you can be very sure the cylinder is locked. So come back to the all around cost and purchasing price for Rapid and so on. I mean, now if the trailer is like a couple of years on the market, we see the feedback and we are very sure about that this is the trailer what we want to build, and we reached very much the target what it was. So I'm very happy about it. I'm very happy about the model, and I'm very happy about that the trailer let you load your loads easy, fast, safe, and all in all you're gonna also save a lot of money because you save about fuel cost, you save about less damages, you save about your time. You don't have a repair cost as much because the trailer is built very simple. You don't have any corrosion problems on the trailer. So, altogether, you save time and money. So, this is a small overview of our KART Rapid trailer. I'm Henrik Saar from KART Group, and I want to see you in the next video. By the way, if you like it, please hit the bell down the video. Thank you. To the next time. Bye bye.